Hello, Roshan sir. Good afternoon.
हेलो हेलो मृदुल सर हेलो हावा चाहिँ मस्त बसेर ट्रेड हान्नै
Yeah.
पर्ने हुन्छ होइन रेटमा है के गर्नु भयो आज लाउनु भएको छ ट्रेडहरू केही
लगइन छ 10 डलर प्रफिट भयो छोडिदिएँ।
ओके ओके सो
खास त
इट्स
राम्रै
गुड
प्रफिट हुन्थ्यो मैले त्यो स्टप लस अलिकति मिलेन क्या सर मेरो।
एनिवे सो
साइड पुरा मार्केट त हेर्नु त खर्च साइड रहेछ। नट गोइङ फर बाई। अहिले नेपालको मार्केट बढी नै छ नि, हेर्नुभयो?
okay so from the daily perspective market is in bearish so we need to see from the 4 hour it's bullish and it has created a support at this point and resistance at this point. So from the 1 hour perspective, yeah, there is a most recent resistance at 40.88 and there is a support at this point which is 40.42. From the 30 minute, it's a there is a resistance at this point and we need to see whether this current candle would able to close above this range or not. If the next candle close like a bearish, broke below this range which is 40.67, probably will go for a sell because the overall market structures is in the downtrend. So we need to see from the 4 hour it's a bullish and from the 1 hour it's rejected and from the 30 minute we are waiting for a candle to break and close below this resistance which is 40.67. If it's broken close below the bearish candle like this, we'll go for the sale to expect the move down like this. But anything broken close above this resistance which is 40.75, then we'll think for the buy. Other than that, we need to be very comfortable for the sale if we see these market structures on a down. So we can easily expect up till this point, which is about, yeah, which is 40.52. So we need to see one more candle.
Sir, if you look at 15-minute chart, there is already bearish candle, one bearish candle.
15 minutes. Okay. But you know, this candle is closing above this resistance level, which is 40.67. So we need to have a candle to break and close below this range. Yeah, but in between these two zone, which is 40.67 to 40.75, it's a non-tradable zone. So we need to be very cautious at this point. Mirdul sir, can you check the YouTube whether we are going for a live stream or not? Can you check, please?
Okay, sir. I'll check.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, we're going live stream. Yeah, we're going live.
We are?
Live.
Yeah, we are in live,
Yeah.
but it is not shown on live if you click on live. But it only shows live on the Tradopedia
But no sound, I think.
No sound?
Just give me a minute. I'll see. I'll check.
Yeah,
Yeah, we are
but
live. We are live. Sir, we are live.
we are live now.
Yeah, we are live.
Where?
In YouTube.
In YouTube, I also see, but not.
But I think we are 20 seconds late in the live session.
Yeah, yeah, Elliot. Yeah, I know. But okay. Can you send me the
Mhm.
screenshot, please, Mirdul sir?
Sure, sure.
Yeah, yeah, screenshot on WhatsApp.
I'll send you in WhatsApp, okay?
Yeah, okay. So we need to see whether this candle is able to broke below this range or not. Yeah, actually, we're in live. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we're in live. Yeah, actually, we're in live. No problem. Yeah, great. Anyway. So we are looking for the candle to break and close below this zone support level, which is 4067. If it's able to break, then we'll probably think for a sale. Otherwise, we need to wait for a candle to break and close above this range, which is 4075. If we do break this resistance, then we can expect the move to be around 130 pips move. So it's a genuine range. So I think 4 hour candle is about to close as well with an yeah, 4 hour candle is about to close in 20 minutes, right? So need to see how it close in these 20 minutes. But if you look at here, this is a strong bullish candle on a 4 hour. From the daily perspective, it's a gap up opening. Having no wicket top means there is no buyer, right? Even this candle didn't attempt to move push up, so there is a less probability that the this move will continue to pushing up. So I'm expecting the candle close like below this range so that I'm so much comfortable to execute my trade in a downside. So this is the things that I'm expecting at this point, but need to see how it play out. From the 15-minute perspective, it's bullish, no problem. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. But I'm planning to buy at this point before, at this point, metals are, at this point exactly. After breaking the high of the previous candle, right up over here. I was busy on
I
something,
do the
that's why I
same.
missed this trade. But I'm
I,
planning
I,
to, yeah,
I took 5 trades, but because it hit my stop loss. But I took a buy from 40, 52,
40, 42.
52, 52.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, no problem.
And last candle I took buy was 63.
Okay. So, our next move, we are expecting this move, right? Okay, let me make it a little bit red. Yeah, I'm expecting this type of candle to be formed below this range so that we can go for a sale like this move on a downside. So this is the general expectation I'm expecting at this point, but not interested to go for any trades in between this range. So which is basically called a no trade zone. So I'm writing this one here. This is no tradable zone for me. No trade zone.
Have you seen Nifty
Basically,
market in Nifty today?
sorry,
Did you see Nifty today? Nifty.
Nipsey.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much increment today?
Today I think it's 40 points, 47 points.
Yeah. So let me show you the chart as well, right? Okay, but before that, oh, Vivek sir, welcome to the London session live stream, Vivek sir. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Just
Yeah,
welcoming.
Vivek sir, Vivek sir. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll be on time. We'll be on time. So I will be in live stream at a London Open. Today a little bit late, but on tomorrow onwards, daily, 5 days a week, I will be in live stream in London sessions. We'll execute the trade accordingly. So Mirdals are expecting this move. Let's see whether could happen or not. But if it do, then it would be a good chance for us to go for a sale, right? Because if you look at from the overall perspective, it's a downtrend, no doubt. And we need to be very, very cautious at this point. Didn't need to be expect much in this market because it's a sideways. So we are expecting, and I prefer this trade more often. So if you look at here, this trade, it has created a support. The next candle, okay, this candle created a wick to the top, could not able to move up, then retraces back in the zone, broke the low of the previous candle. So we might take for a sell at this point for the impulse entry. So at this time, we need to see whether it's a high volume time or not. If it's a high volume time like a London Open or NYC Open, then we can go for a sale. But if it's Asian sessions, we need to be very, very cautious. So after breaking the low of the previous candle, we can go for a sale. But the question is, where should you put your stop loss? That's the most essential thing. So at this point, I do prefer to put the stop loss at this point, like a middle of the candle, running candle, right? So it's a very, very risky since it does not provide you the overall, okay, confirmations. That's why it's an impulse entry. So you need to reduce your lot size as well. While executing the impulse entry, always be aware that you need to reduce your position size because it's a very risky trade that you took, right? So whenever I do a impulse entry, I reduce my lot size so quickly so that I can lose a less because it's a low probability setup, trading setup, right? So this is called the impulse entry. And yeah, amazing. But at this point, we are expecting the candle to close like this so that we can go for a sale and expecting visualizing the candle like this. In trading, you need to visualize the next move. If you visualize the next move, then you can definitely make a lot of money. So yeah, like Raza banks, they used to visualize the next candle and then only it will give you the confidence to execute the trade. Okay. So let's see how do it play out. I think this 30-minute candle will close within 14 minutes. So need to wait. And the 4-hour candle is also going to close within this, yeah, within this 14 minutes. Yeah, we are waiting for candle to break below this range. Ladies and gentlemen, can we get this move? Can we get able to see this move? Middle, I will be going for a decent lot size if it's broken close below this range, which is 4067.
Me too, sir. Me too, sir.
Yeah. And we can expect this move to be down till this point, which is about like 4052. If I measure this range, which is all about like 147 pips. Out of 147 pips, if we got like 50% move, like 70 to 80 pips, that's enough for us. And we call it a day. So need to wait. We are expecting exactly this move to be happen. Mhm. Yeah, okay. So guys, uh, let's see the NIPS as well. So there is enough time to close this candle. Still 10 minutes left. So let's go to the NIPS, right? What is actually going to happen in this NIPS? Okay, let me show you. This one, this one. What's going on, NIPS? Yeah, that's true. Okay, yeah. Mridul sir, are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, you guys need to be very, very cautious at this point because if you look at here, let me do some analysis on NIPS. As we talked before, if you measure from this range, this is 1, this is 2, definitely 3, 4, and this is 5, right? And the moved off is obviously the ABC. A, B, C, right? So what I thought is there is a wave equality, right? In order to measure the wave equality, you need to go with the A and then this point, which is 1, exactly at 2700, right? 2700 at this point, and we are in 2650. So yeah, we're in the very, very crucial point. If we are unable to sell at this point, then it could be like this. The entire correction is A, this one is B, and we can expect C. So Mirdul sir, it's your chance to manage your risk from tomorrow onwards, slowly and gradually. Got it? Make sense? This is the B wave, sir. If you are unable to sell at this point, then be ready for to face this C wave on downtrend. The correction is never done at this point. So if you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, B wave, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C wave. So be ready with this move on down. So I would recommend you to manage some risk at this point, like closing your 50%, 40% your positions, 30% even, that's great. But if you are holding your whole positions, then you will bear very, very bad consequences.
Sir, can you check out the banking sector and just
Yeah,
I
sure.
just
Why not?
wanted
Of course. Let
I
me
just
show.
wanted to know the Global IME and Citizen Bank, both of
Sure,
them.
sure, definitely, sir, definitely, no problem. So this is NIPSE, right? So let me show you the banking index as well. Duplicate tab, right? Okay. So make the screenshot of this chart and try it out to take a decisions accordingly. This is my just a
Yeah.
suggestion. Yeah, you can screenshot it out. If you would not able to manage risk and the market yeah did this exactly this move on a C wave, then it will make you more frustration. So banking sub index, yeah, from the banking perspective as well, I think from the banking perspective, yeah, from the banking perspective, what I can see is I am looking this move, this move, yeah, this one is WXY, this move. And on Y, you can expect like a ABC pattern. A, B, C pattern. Sorry, this one is wrong, right? I'm expecting this move. A, B, C pattern. Yeah. So bank on bank, I'm expecting at the moment is at least retraces at this point, and then like falling down like this. This one is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking this on banking. So make a screenshot as well. This is the market structures on banking sub index. So we are in the very, very crucial point and need to take a decisions accordingly. Right? So let's see on the chart. Nothing going happen on gold. I need to see Mirdul, sir. Are you getting the point at this point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I need to be very, very cautious, sir, because if we miss this beam wave move, and if we are unable to manage the risk, then we need to bear the consequences as well. So very, very crucial point.
I think must be Citizen Bank. Is like the must be the same.
Citizen Bank, I really don't want to see all the analysis on NFC. But For you, I'm obviously going to say Citizen Bank, CZBL, right?
Yes, CZBIL. It has the same position likewise.
Yeah, yeah, you need to see from the larger, yeah, it's just like how to do analysis in this chart. Yeah, this is the W, no, yeah, W, X, Y. Do you know this one is the W, this one is X, and this one is Y. From you can expect like this. On Y, ABC. This one is probably A, B, then now you can see like C. Very, very critical.
Yes.
Not looking for a buy at this point. Yeah. Banking, just take it a screenshot, and it would be your reference for the future. Gold, what are you doing, boy? Yeah, it's just like consolidations in between this one. So very, very risky. And need to wait for further one more candle. And it's and the 4 hour candle is about to close as well. If you look at here, 4 minutes candle is about to close. So from the 1 hour perspective, it's moving up. From the 30 minute, yeah, need to see. On 4 hour, what I'm expecting is this move, from the 4 hour, I'm expecting this type of move. This candle, yeah, the current 4 hour candle need to move top like this, created a wick. How to, yeah, I can use the annotation. Exactly this type of move. This candle open at this price, need to move top like this, created a wick, then retraces back in the zone and continue to fail like this. I'm expecting this 4 candle to be formed like this. If it happen like this, then what should I do is the next is from the 30-minute perspective, I will be wait for a candle to close below this zone so that I can go for a sell. Simple. This is the one analysis. But looking from the current situations, can you get some hints? The candle is decent, but there is a resistance to the left with very near. So can't go for a buy. Just need to see. One hour. Yeah. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth candle. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So always ask, what's the probability that this the sixth candle, 1 hour candle will continue to pushing up? I think it's going to be very, very low. So probability reduces at this point. So need to be very, very patient and wait for good market structures. No problem. If it's moved up, no problem. Because we need to stick our plan and need to see whether this candle is able to break and close above this range or not. If it's close above this range, then it could be a good buy for the next candle. Middle sir, are you in buy?
No, sir.
No? Okay. We are waiting, sir. We are waiting. It's just the opening of 5 minutes when we see this move, and 15 minutes from the 15 minutes. Yeah, we can give the try, but we are looking for the good confirmation. So no problem. From the 15 minutes, it's a good, but we are looking for 30 minutes. So let's wait. Yeah. Now the only thing that we are waiting is for a red bearish candle to go for a sale. For buy, candle need to break and close above the range 40.75. These are the two conditions that we are waiting at this time. From the 15 minute, no problem.
Sir, we are looking through the 30-minute.
Yeah, we are looking for 30-minute candle to close like a bearish candle first, so that we can go for a sell. Because if you look at from the overall market status, it's a down. The overall session trend is up, but the overall market structure is down. So if you get a bearish candle, healthy body bearish candle at this point, then we'll go for a sell to the next candle like this move. But it's very, very hard to do trade like this type of candle, the big wick. Most of the time it will hit your stop loss. It's called stop loss hunting candle. And Vivek sir, for your knowledge, if you look at here, many people used to buy after the breakout, right? Without waiting for the candle to break and close above these resistance levels. So if you look at here, most of the peoples were got stopped out at this point. Price moved up, make them entry at this point, and now retracing back in the zone, and they are wildly going loss at this point, around like a 34, 36 pips. So 4 hour candle, if this candle, as I mentioned you earlier, if this candle moved up, created a wick and then broke, yeah, it's one low, then that would be a great opportunity to go for a sale like this. Candle open, candle moved up, then it is back. Now, if it's like moving down by breaking its own low, we're expecting this type of candle. So that's a great lesson.
Breakout becomes the fake out, right?
Yeah, it's a fake out. Yeah, it's a fake out, Vivek sir. That's why it is very, very essential being a trader to wait for the confirmation. Now it's back in the range. Done. It will stop out a lot of traders in the world. It is also called liquidity hunting. And as per our analysis, we are seeing the exact setups, previously I mentioned you guys. So let's see how it play out. And from the 15-minute perspective, it's about to close, but from the 15-minute, we cannot go for a sale until and unless broke this level. But from the 30-minute, if we see the healthy body bearish candle with the top weak rejections, then we'll go definitely for a sale, right? $345. Yeah, and it's and it would happen in pre-New York session. So pre-New York sessions will be about within a 30 minutes, I think. Okay, so reduce the room temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Okay. Anyway, okay. So let's see. The only thing that we are going to do at this point is we are looking for a healthy body bearish candle so that we can go for a sell in a 30-minute time frame. Right up over here. We want to see the candles broke and close below this range so that we can go for a happy sale. Yeah, 15-minute candle is about to close. Yeah, 15-minute candle is about to close, and let's see how do it close out. Let's see. You need USD. No, not now. No. Because very cheap giving by how much? 600. Really not. No need. No need right now. Yeah. You're live streaming? Yeah, I'm doing live streaming on. Yeah, thinking for the one red candle. If it's close like a red candle, then we'll go for a deep sell. It's your USDT or your client? Sir, mau request by get a cover. Answer. Handro. Sir, not the media as asked for kilo. He is my client. Who wants to give him a no. We really don't have any USDT right now. Yeah, guys, but you guys need to be a little bit worried about the trading, on NEPSE. I would suggest you to manage some sorts of a risk. That is the thing that I want to tell you. Let's see from the 5 minutes, it's just like very difficult to do trade. Yeah, just wanted to bring some water. I'll come back. Vivek sir, Middle sir, can you guys open your camera as well so that I can see you? And wanted to feel someone is yeah here with us. Vivek sir, looking so much handsome these days. Okay, so we are waiting so long, and finally this candle is retracing back in the zone, and this candle will about to close within the 10 minutes, right? So very, very interesting thing going to happen at this point. So it's all about the fruits after waiting long, right? Middle sir, are you getting ready to get entry on sale within 10 minutes? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, middle sir. Let's see whether this candle is able to break and close below this range or not, which is all about like 4068. If it's able to break and close below this range, then we'll probably go for a good sale, you know. And if we do have a good sale, then we call it a day for Monday. Yeah, it's a choppy market in between this range. Very, very strictly, we are waiting for a candle to break and close below 4068. Then only we'll go for a sale. Then only we'll go for a sale. Yeah, there is a $49. $49 commissions. Okay. Yeah, Mirdal sir, we are desperately looking for the candle to break and close below this 4068 range. If we do break and close below this range, then no doubt for sure we can get this type of move to the down, like this type of move. We can easily grab 70 to 80 pips out of this range, which is 153 pips. We can easily get like 100, yeah, 70, 80 pips we can easily get. It's about to close within a 7 minutes, so let's wait. No issue at all. Baby, come down, come down. Na, 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 na. How much subscribers that we have on YouTube? Let me check. I think it's 245. Okay, 245. Oh my God. Anyway, yeah, I think there is a yeah, finally let's welcome to our boss, Mr. Roshan sir. Yeah, we are thinking for a sale, Roshan sir, if it's break and close below these 4068 range from the 30-minute time frame. क्या बोलते हो आप? चलेंगे सर सेल में? म्युट भएको छ रोशन सर, यु आर इन द म्युट. Vivek sir, are you thinking that this candle will broken and close below this range, this resistance, previous resistance?
I don't think it will
You
break
don't
out
think?
that
So you
support.
think there is a less probability that this candle will broke and close below this support, previous support, right? Oh,
हेलो
okay,
हेलो
Yes.
previous resistance.
हो रोशन सर के छ
ठिक छ हो रोशन सर यार, योभन्दा तल आयो भने सेल लग्ने प्लान गरिरहेको हो, अब मार्केटले देला जस्तो लागेन.
आउला र
खोइ त्यही हेरेको, अब यो तल आयो भने त सेलै हो नि होइन, यो क्लोज भयो भने त तल
अँ
सेल होला. अब देला जस्तो छैन, पुरै साइडवेज खेलिरहेको छ मार्केट. किनकि मैले 4 आवरमा के एक्सपेक्ट गरिरहेको भन्दाखेरि तपाईँको माथि गयो विक बनायो, जान सकेन, अब तल आउन खोजिरहेको छ नि. सो कन्टिन्यू होला कि भनेको, माथि नि अब के हुन्छ डोन्ट नो. तपाईँको
अर्को फेरि
पोजिसन अहिलेको बाई क्लोज भयो?
मेरो भाइ भएको छैन नि
रनिङै छ अहिले पनि?
रनिङ हो नि
बा, तपाईँको बाई यहाँनिर थियो होइन, आई थिङ्क 63मा.
63 मा
92 pips right now, and the previous one like 141 pips, but you
जिपी
didn't
87 हो
close.
रोशन सर हेरौँ के हुन्छ
हजुर?
हेरौँ के हुन्छ क्लोज हानिदिन्छु नत्र अब यो तल यो त्योभन्दा क्लोज तल आयो भने
ब्याक इन द जोन,
सिक्स
योभन्दा तल क्लोज भयो भने त क्लोज हान्नै पर्छ. सो लेट मी सी द
अघि
न्युज
क्लोज
एज वेल.
हान्नु
अघि हान्न पर्ने थियो यो माथि, यो
अलि
रेन्ज
बिजी
भनेको
भइयो
त
त्यो
क्रिटिकल जोन थियो नि त. Is there anything going happen today?
यो हाम्रो मेरो त सर पनि हुँदो रहेछ केमा हुनुहुन्छ मेरो सर
हजुर?
बाइसेल मेरो चाहिँ सर केमा हुनुहुन्छ भने क्या बाइसेलमा केमा हुनुहुन्छ
मृदुल सर 4 PPI 530मा न्युज छ होइन, खासै इम्प्याक्टफुल त होइन यो. न्युज छ आज.
4x
मन्डे न्युजै छैन नि आज केही पनि छैन।
आज छैन सिबिआई छ तर
राहुल
यो
सर
अलि
कता होला त हौ?
तर यतै हो म यार
ल सर हिजो आउँछ भने गफ हालिदिनु सर तपाईँ नआइदिनु।
हिजो
अनि
हिजो अलिक भ्याएन सर म हिजो कहाँ गएको थिएँ सर
मैले नि म पनि भेटेको थिएन त्यसै फोन नगरेको त म पनि अलिक बिजी थिएँ कि सर अनि स्टाफ कम थियो अनि यसो फोन गरेको।
हजुर
लेट्स सी अब कति मिनट बाँकी छ? 1 मिनट बाँकी छ यार, क्लोज भएन नि माथि। निड टु वेट फर द नेक्स्ट क्यान्डल। 15 मिनट्स या साइडवेज, कम्प्लिटली साइडवेज। अब फेरि अगाडिको हाइलाइट ब्रेक गऱ्यो भने त धेरै नै माथि जान्छ होइन। आई थिङ्क इट विल मुभ टुवर्ड्स यो लेभलमा, पहिलाको रेजिस्टेन्सको लेभलमा। यहाँबाट
कति छ
ओपनिङ भयो
83
भने आज
85
आज यहाँबाट ओपनिङ भएको होइन, यसको ओपन प्राइस ग्याप अप ओपनिङ त्यो फिल गर्न जाला कि भन्ने हो।
हजुर हजुर
फिल गर्न जाला कि भन्ने
तपाईँको
हो।
इन्भेस्टमेन्ट आउँछ होला।
तर यस्तो पनि हो, जस्तो अब यो मुभ यति धेरै माथि गइसकेको छ, एउटा रिट्रेसमेन्ट त आउनु पर्ने हो इन डाउन होइन। तर 4 आवरबाट हेऱ्यो भने चाहिँ विक बनाएर यो अगाडिको हाइलाई ब्रेक गऱ्यो भने नि कन्टिन्युसली आजको यो विक फिल गर्न जान्छ। यो रेन्ज त 83सम्म मिनिमम पनि हो। सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट प्ले आउट। तर एउटा ट्रेड चाहिँ यसले दिन्छ, बाई भए पनि सेल भए पनि, फर स्योर।
मलाई किन सेल आउँछ जस्तो लागिरहेको छ।
बट सेलको लागि पनि
सेल आउन
कन्फर्मेसन
सक्छ
त कुर्नु पऱ्यो नि हजुर।
सेल पनि हुन सक्छ
हुनसक्छ त, त्यसको लागि कन्फर्मेसन त कुर्नु पऱ्यो नि होइन। कस्तो
अबको
फास्ट
यो
आएको,
क्यान्डलले
कस-
भोट दिन सक्ला बरु।
कस्तो फास्ट आएको हो यार।
आइडिया
1 मिनटमा म त गर्दैन, बरु धेरै तल आए पनि मलाई मतलब छैन होइन। तर 1 मिनटमा यो खालको मुभ आइ एम नट एक्सपेक्टिङ।
जान्छ नि है सिधै कहिले तल तल आएर
कहिलेकाहीँ गइदिन्छ, इट्स ओके होइन रोशन सर। इट्स कम्प्लिटली ओके, गयो भने अब के गर्न सकिन्छ। ल हेर्न खेलाइदिन्छ, नचाइदिन्छ। मृदुल सरले सेल हानिसके जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई।
तर हतार गर्नु भएन मेरो चाहिँ अलिक हतार गर्नुहुन्छ क्या जहिले पनि
सेलमा हो मृदुल सर।
यस सर आम
ऊ
डन।
भने
आई
होइन।
जस्ट एन्टर।
तर यस्तो भएन यसरी भएन हुन त ठिकै पनि हो सेल यहाँबाट अब त्यही पनि वेट गर्नु एकछिन
तर कन्फर्म चाहिँ छैन कि यो ट्रेड चाहिँ, त्यति मात्र भन्नु खोजे हो।
5 मिनटको हेर्नु त के छ
5 मिनट्स
सेलै छ 5 मिनट
इम्पल्स इन्ट्री। 5 मिनट्समा इम्पल्स इन्ट्री रोशन सर।
58
तर यति सजिलै गरे धेरै एक्जिक्युसन चाहिँ हुँदैन यसमा, किनकि एभ्री वान इज लुकिङ फर द गुड कन्फर्मेसन होइन। त्यो भएको भएर रिट्रेसमेन्ट आउन सक्ने, रिजेक्सन आउन सक्ने चान्सेस हाई हुन्छ यो पोइन्टमा। म चार्जर लिएर आइहाल्छु है। भोलि चाहिँ अलिक अन टाइममा आउनु पर्यो। अब आज पनि 1 घन्टा त भइसक्यो होइन। लन्डन ठ्याक्क त्यहाँको टाइम भनेको 1 बजे आइसक्नु पर्यो क्या, सधैँभरि आउँछु म अबदेखि। किनभने ठ्याक्क ओपन गरिदिन्छु 1 बजे। 1:45मा लन्डन ओपन हुन्छ, एउटा ट्रेड दिइहाल्छ त्यसले होइन, डाउन भए पनि अप भए पनि। एन्ड डन फर द डे, सिम्पल।
1:45 भन्दा नि अलिक टाइम प्रि लन्डनमा आउनु पर्यो
Guys, let's go for impulse entry, man. क्या impulse entry मोड किरहेको छ सर?
यो सपोर्टलाई ब्रेक गर्यो भने बल्ल कन्फर्म होला है सेलको लागि।
Baby, calm down, calm down. भोलिदेखि चाहिँ रोजा त्यो त अन टाइम आउनु पर्यो क्या भएन सधैँभरि रेगुलर होइन राजादेखि गाएसरी महाकसम होइन 2-3 घन्टा
कन्फर्मेसन देला
बसेर एउटा
जस्तो
ट्रेड लियो भने पुगिहाल्यो नि दिनको इनफ होइन रोशन सर इनफ टु बी अ मिलिनियर सधैँभरि तर 2-4 वर्ष आउनु पर्यो ओके 15 मिनटबाट अब हेरौँ है त 15 मिनटबाट हेरौँ क्लोजर क्यान्डलको
कन्फर्म होला जस्तो छ सर
हजुर
सपोर्टलाई ब्रेक गर्ला जस्तो छ त
होइन ब्रेक गरेर क्लोज हुनु पर्यो नि त
नै नै ब्रेक गरेर अब क्लोज होला कि कति मिनट छ अब ब्रेक गर्न
30
30
मिनट्सको त
मिनटको
धेरै टाइम छ मृदुल सर इट्स सरी मृदुल सर मोर देन आई थिङ्क कति मिनट्स 25 मिनट्स रिजेक्सन हुने चान्सेस धेरै हुन्छ कि कन्फर्मेसन नभएपछि रो आउँछ बिकज हामीलाई थाहा छ नि त ट्रेड हान्दा हान्दा स्टप लस खुवाउँदा खुवाउँदा मार्केटलाई बुझाउँदा बुझाउँदा जुन अहिले यो ट्रेड हामीले वेट गरिरहेछौँ नि
हजुर
विवेक सर आई थिङ्क यो
हजुर
लगभग 200 चोटि भन्दा बढी देखिसकियो होला हो यस्तो मुभहरू र मेजोरिटी टाइम भनेको स्टप लसै खाइदिने हो प्रायः 1 आवर के भइरहेको छ 1 आवर स्टिल रनिङ छ होइन
के फिलिङ आएर सर 60सम्म तल आउँछ 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 क्या त
40 फिलिङ्स आइरहेछ
फिलिङ्स डेन्जर फिलिङ्स आइरहेछ 60 तल आउँछ अरे
डेन्जर फिलिङ
डर लाग्थ्यो कि
झर्दै भनेपछि आउँछ अब
सर रोशन सरले अर्को सरले भने झन् आउँछ राहुल सरले ल फेरि माथि गयो
ए मृदुल सरले भनेपछि आउँछ आउँछ
सपोर्ट कति 68लाई हो
68 भन्दा तल क्लोज होला कि भनेर हो होइन किनकि अगाडिको रेजिस्टेन्स टर्न्स इन्टु सपोर्ट क्या अब यो तल क्लोज भन्दा डाउनै हो नि त मुभ सो यो क्यान्डल यत्रो डिसेन्ट बडी क्लोज भयो भने अर्को धेरै ठुलो क्यान्डल बन्छ डाउनको सम्भावना होइन रोशन सर उम्, यो 15 मिनटबाट पनि इम्पोर्टेन्ट जोन हो क्या यो होइन 15 मिनटबाट पनि पुरै क्लिन छ होइन सो लेट्स वेट तर 4 आवरबाट एक्ज्याक्टली मैले यही नै भनिरहेको थिएँ होइन विवेक सर यो माथि विक बनाएर जान सकेन भने चाहिँ तल आउन सक्छ भनेर यो भइरहेको हुन्छ क्या नर्मली देखिरहेको कुरा हो यो चाहिँ बहुत डेन्जर हो यो जब ट्राई गर्छ जान सक्दैन अनि फर्केर आउँछ बहुत डेन्जर हो उम्,
ल सर पुसिङ डाउन है बेबी सर
के भयो अरे मिडल सर
पुसिङ डाउन बेबी होइन त पहिला हाम्रो के त सर पहिला सुरु तपाईँलाई पुसिङ डाउन तपाईँ म के त सर पहिला पुसिङ डाउन कराएर बस्थेँ नि हामी पहिला के तपाईँ त्यो भनेको पुसिङ डाउन बेबी कमन
Yeah. Baby, calm down. अब चाहिँ के भन्ने यसलाई पुसिङ अप पुसिङ अप
पुसिङ अप पुसिङ अप
पुसिङ हिट त स्टप लस हो क्या यसले खेलाउँछ मृदुल सर तपाईँलाई तल माथि
साइड
गराएर
साइड
यो
साइड तर
आधी घन्टाभरि
आधी
हाँ
घन्टा साइड 1 घन्टा 2 घन्टा साइड जस्तो लाग्यो सर मलाई।
कन्फर्मेसन दिन खोजिरहेको हो मृदुल सर। यसले भोल्युम ग्र्याब गर्न सकिरहेको छैन। किन गर्न सकिरहेको छैन? बिकज पिपल हेभ नट कन्फिडेन्ट क्या, मेजोरिटी अफ द पिपलहरू यो डाउनको लागि अहिलेको पोइन्टमा। बिकज कन्फर्मेसन छैन यहाँनिर। द्याट्स वाइ भोल्युम ग्र्याब गर्न सकिरहेको छैन होइन। कहिलेकाहीँ एक्सिडेन्टली गरेर तल पनि आउन सक्छ, विच इज रियर, बट इन जेनरल नेड टु बी वेट फर द कन्फर्मेसन।
तर सर त्यो म्याक्सिमम् न्युज टाइममा होला है सर, त्यस्तो ड्याम ड्याम खस्ने कि।
कहिलेकाहीँ एक्सिडेन्टली हुन्छ, बट त्यो रेयर हो। अब त्यसैलाई हुन्छ भनेर लिन थाल्यो भने चिप्लाउँछ। स्टप लस हन्टिङ हान्छ क्या प्रायः धेरै यसो केसमा भनेको। जस्तो तपाईँको यो हेर्नु न, यो सबै कुनै पनि ट्रेडहरू लिन सजिलो छैन नि आजको ट्रेडहरू।
आजको त एकदमै स्लो छ मार्केट।
धेरै आजको
मैले
कुनै
त फेरि
क्यान्डल
मैले त राम्रो पिक खाइसकेको थिएँ नि सर अघि।
कि त बाई गरेर छोडिदिनु पर्यो
स्टप लस खाँदै
होइन।
माल जाँदै, स्टप लस खाँदै माल जाँदै गरिरहेको छ कि।
स्टप लस हन्टिङ। तर ओभरअल टाइम फ्रेमबाट हेर्नु न, तपाईँको हाई बनायो, लोवर हाई बनायो, लोवर हाई बनायो। अब माइट बी यो लोवर हाई हुनसक्छ क्या। द्याट्स वाइ वी आर वेटिङ फर क्यान्डल टु क्लोज। अनि
अब
रेन्ज
यो
पनि एकदम इनफ
रोशन
छ।
सरलाई चाहिँ मजा आइरहेको होला, स्टप लसै हाल्दैन बुढाले।
कसले?
रोशन सरले, अर्को राहुल सरले त स्टप लसै हाल्दैन नि त, ड्याङ ड्याङ खाइदिन्छ।
कहाँ त्यस्तो हुँदैन नि, के भन्छ मृदुल सर, स्ट्राटेजी अनुसार हुन्छ नि। तपाईँको अब कुनमा स्टप लस हान्ने कुनमा नहान्ने इट डिपेन्ड्स अब मृदुल सर। अब 30,000को एकाउन्टमा 20,000को एकाउन्टमा के गर्ने, इट्स अ डिफ्रेन्ट पार्ट होइन। 500को एकाउन्ट फ्री फायर एकाउन्टमा के गर्ने, इट्स अ डिफ्रेन्ट पार्ट। बुझ्नुभयो नि मृदुल सर?
ए सर ओके।
जस्तो अब 500को एकाउन्ट 2,000 पुर्याउनु पर्यो, त्यसको छुट्टै स्ट्राटेजी हुन्छ। 10,000लाई 12,000 पुर्याउनु पर्यो, त्यसको छुट्टै स्ट्राटेजी हुन्छ। हेर्नु, बुझ्नुभयो?
बुझ्यो
साइज अनुसार हो त्यो चाहिँ नि
सर।
भनेको।
है सर पुसिङ डाउन है बेबी सर, पुसिङ डाउन। यो स्लाइड गर्नु त्यो ग्रिनको त्यो विक छैन, त्यसलाई फिल गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ गयो तल कि, तर त्यसलाई फिल गरेर छैन कि।
ए,
फेरि पुसिङ अप भयो त भाइ। जाँदैन तल, गाह्रो छ। साइड वेज हो।
तपाईँलाई झुलाउने हो मृदुल सर यसले।
राम्रै घुमाउने भयो यसले।
त्यो भएर फरक फरक स्ट्राटेजी हो कि मृदुल सर।
यो
जस्तो
यो
40।
तपाईँको सर यो भोल्युम टाइम हो र सर, होइन नि है?
अब न्युयोर्क सेसन सुरु हुँदैछ, प्रि न्युयोर्क।
प्रि न्युयोर्कमा त म्याक्सिमम् भोल्युम त अप्पै
ओहो,
हुन्छ त्यो
एकैछिन है
याद
साथी हो
गरेको।
यार, मेरो त नि यहाँनिर ल्यापटपै चार्ज भएन नि त, त्यसैको भएन। नाउ अन या डन। खोइ त रोशन सर जानुभयो त यार मृदुल सर, तपाईँले के भन्नुभयो?
मैले त के भनेको छैन सर।
तपाईँले कारवाही गर्नुपर्ने भयो
होइन होला सर, गर्लफ्रेन्डको फोन आएन सर।
ए। क्यान्डल ब्याक इन द रेन्ज हेर्नुभयो तपाईँको? स्टप लस हन्टिङ हानेन त?
अब स्टप लस हन्ड्रेड हान्दैछ यसले।
हान्यो नि होइन।
माथि 71 हुँदैछ।
द्याट्स वाइ पेसेन्स म्याटर्स। मैले त हेरेछु नि यो मुभ, कति हेरेको छु तपाईँको। भनिनँ 200 टाइम्सभन्दा बढी देखेको होला यो मुभ अहिलेसम्म। ल हान्यो अब चाहिँ हन्टिङ।
हन्टिङ हान्यो नारायण।
Baby, calm down, calm down. Na 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 na
70 मा
na
जिरो
na
सर।
na 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 lockdown, lockdown. ए खतरा बनाइदिएछ त हौ भिडियो त।
टपमा हन्टिङ हान्ने हो, साइड वेज मार्केट। अब नरै भयो सर ल, साइड वेज मार्केट।
विवेक सर
हजुर सर।
सिकिरहनु भएको छ लेसन्सहरू?
हजुर सर मैले बुझ्दैछु सर।
एक्ज्याक्टली हो, यसरी सिक्ने हो कि हेर्दै जाने हो होइन। जरुरत छैन कि होइन चार्ट खोल्ने बित्तिकै ट्रेडै हान्नुपर्छ भन्ने जरुरत नै छैन कि, बिकज वी हेभ अबन्डेन्स टाइम के, तपाईँको लाइफ टाइम हो नि त हान्ने भनेको ट्रेड होइन र।
हजुर हो
सो
सर।
जुन ट्रेडमा, जुन ट्रेड सेटअप्समा इफ यु आर बिङ अ कन्फिडेन्ट, त्यो ट्रेड लिने हो बल्ल। बिकज तपाईँसँग क्यापिटल छ, मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर छ, मार्केट तपाईँको अनगोइङ छ होइन, भोलि नै गोल्डको ट्रेडिङ सकिने होइन नि त वर्ल्डबाट। भनेपछि के गर्ने, निड टु बी वेट सी, हेर्ने, मिस हुन्छ नो प्रब्लम होइन, सबै ट्रेड लिनुपर्छ भने जरुरी छैन। हेर्ने 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 तपाईँको 100 टाइम्स मिस हुनसक्छ क्या, तर 101 टाइम्स त्यही मुभ देख्नुभयो भने अनि त्यसपछि मर्ने गरी हान्नुहुन्छ एन्ड यु विल बी अ प्रफिटेबल के। तपाईँ कन्फिडेन्स इन्क्रिमेन्ट भनेको एउटै कुरा धेरैचोटि रिपिट भएपछि हो क्या देख्ने भनेको।
त्यही त सर।
हाम्रो सर राहुल सर पनि राजा बेङ्क भयो क्या हो, एकछिन आउँछ जान्छ सर सायद।
तपाईँलाई कारवाही हुन्छ अब।
मलाई सर मैले त के भनेको थिइनँ सर। म त बिग फ्यान हो नि सरको, म त खोला ट्रेड भन्नुहुन्छ सिक्नु खोजिरहेको कि उहाँसँग।
ए, अब बवाल हान्ने हो नि रोशन सरले, खतरा ट्रेड, मैले भन्दा 1000 टाइम्स बवाल हान्छ रोशन सरले ट्रेड। तर प्लानिङ अनुसार हो उसको, अब होइन 500को एकाउन्टलाई 2500 पनि पुर्याइदिन्छ। त्यो आफ्नो छुट्टै स्ट्राटेजी हो त्यो लागि। अब 12,000को एकाउन्ट छ भने तपाईँको स्टप लस हरेक पोइन्टमा हुन्छ एसएल। इट डिपेन्ड्स ट्रेड कसरी हानिरहेको छ भनेर होइन, प्लानिङ हो। स्टप लस त वाइ नट, अफ कोर्स हुन्छ नि यार मृदुल सर, स्टप लस इच एन्ड एभ्री पोइन्टमा हुन्छ स्टप लस।
म त स्टपै हाल्छु, रोहन सरले स्टपै हाल्छ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई त। राम्रो कस्तो
या यु
मजाको
पुट,
ट्रेड सिकाउँछ।
अब अहिले पनि त स्टप लस तपाईँको ब्रेक इभनमा छ, यो ट्रेड पनि त तपाईँको स्टप लस ब्रेक इभनमा छ अहिले पनि होइन, 63को लेभलमा।
उम्,
तपाईँलाई के लाग्छ पुरा होल्डिङ, अब कति लट हानेको छ त्यो अनुसार हुन्छ नि त रोज के अरे मृदुल सर। अब हाम्रो तपाईँको $1000को एकाउन्टमा तपाईँले ओपन हानेर जुन होल्डिङ हान्नुहुन्छ, उसले 10,000को एकाउन्टमा हाल्ने हो 0.1 लट होइन।
अँ,
बुझ्नुभयो नि, त्यो 0.1 लटले कति नै लिएर जान्छ, $50 पनि लिएर जाँदैन। 50 पिप्स खानुपर्छ, $50 लस हुनलाई पनि होइन। अनि उसले दिनुभयो त्यो त स्विङ हानिदिने हो कहिलेकाहीँ, इट
अँ,
डिपेन्ड्स। अब फेरि कहिलेकाहीँ 0.5 हालेको बेलामा स्टप लस क्विक हुन्छ हेर्नु,
अँ।
ट्रेड सेटअप मार्केट स्ट्रक्चरलाई हेरेर हुन्छ। अब यो लेन्दी मार्केटमा त्यही अनुसार लट साइज सानो, स्ट्राटेजी मृदुल सर, स्ट्राटेजी।
म त भर्खर भयो सर ट्रेड गरेको, अलि रोहन सरको टाइममा चाहिँ अलिकति के होला कि।
तपाईँको पेसेन्स लेभल मेन्टेन छैन क्या मृदुल सर, हानिहाल्नुहुन्छ तपाईँले, यति फास्ट हान्नुहुन्छ कि। अस्ति त हेर्नु त लाइभ स्ट्रिम आउँदा आउँदै होइन तपाईँले दुईवटा बाई दुईवटा बाई लगातार लगिदिएको, यही क्यान्डल त हो नि यहीँनिर, यहाँनिर एउटा
अँ,
बाई लानुभयो, फेरि रिट्रेस गरायो, फेरि अर्को बाई लगिदियो किन।
आज त म घोडा बसिरहेको सर, एउटा आज त बब्बाल होल्ड गरिरहेको छु।
तपाईँलाई
अहिले
त
पनि
ट्रेड पनि
10
के
होल्ड
लिए,
हो।
तपाईँ मेरो विचार एज फार एज आई नो होइन, यु डोन्ट नो इभन नो होइन हाउ मच यु ट्रेड टुक, वेयर यु टुक, हाउ मच यु लुज होइन, वेयर वेयर डु यु लुज, कुन पोइन्टमा लुज गरेँ तपाईँलाई त्यो पनि याद हुँदैन, बट वी नो, बिकज द डिफरेन्स इज यु टुक मोर ट्रेड एन्ड वी टुक 1 or 2 ट्रेड्स अ डे, द्याट्स इट। मलाई 1 महिनादेखि अहिलेसम्मको ल मैले नोभेम्बरमा कहाँ कहाँ ट्रेड लिएँ, कहाँ कहाँ फेल भएँ, कहाँ कहाँ सक्सेस भएँ, मलाई यादै हुन्छ। बिकज क्वालिटी छ, लेस ट्रेडहरू लिएको छ, नम्बरहरू याद हुन्छ। तपाईँले अब नोभेम्बरमा हानिदिनु भयो होला 200 ट्रेड होइन, तपाईँलाई याद त हुँदैन अभियसली, कसैलाई नै
उम्,
हुँदैन त्यो 200वटा त्यो ट्रेड ओभर ट्रेड गएपछि। लर्निङ तपाईँको के भयो त, रिकल मेमोरीमा।
अँ। सर तपाईँ नेपाल कहिले फर्किनुहुन्छ बिदामा?
आई विल ब्याक नेपाल नेक्स्ट दसैँ सर।
अब 1 वर्ष नआउने सर?
या, यस सर। अब यहाँनिर
हैट,
सबै सेटअप हान्नु परेन, पैसा कमाउनु पर्ने छ मृदुल सर, निड टु मेक अ मनी। सो तपाईँ स्टप आउट भइसक्यो यो ट्रेडमा।
छैन सर मेरो होल्डमै छ।
ओके। Let's gotta wait.
एउटा केटाले तल त आउँछ सर, एउटा केटाले तल राम्रै आउँछ। तपाईँ यो साइडमा जान्छ जस्तो लाग्यो क्या सर, कति तपाईँको यो छ नि यो रेन्जमा क्या, 75 देखि तपाईँ 65 को रेन्ज छ नि, त्यो साइडवेज मार्केट जस्तो लाग्यो। यो अब तल आयो भने त म क्लोज गरिदिन्छु, मेरो त्यो रेन्जमा मात्र आयो भने क्लोज गरिदिन्छु म, किनकि यो साइडवेज मार्केट हो। 65 तिर आयो भने क्लोज हुनु म। अनि सर एसपी आज सर एउटा त्यो डिस्काउन्टमा आइरहेको थियो नि सर, एसपी 500 के अफ छ भने आज भनेर कति पछि।
Yeah. And we do have 10 minutes left to candle like close. And let's see how do this candle close. If this candle close like a strong bearish, then need to think. Otherwise, we need to wait. Vivek sir, are you getting ready to go for a sale at this point? Or you are just looking?
No, I'm just
Here it comes baby,
looking.
come
I'll
on
be
baby, you
watching.
can do it.
I will be an audience for right now.
Yeah, that's true. That's the symptoms of to be a good trader in upcoming days.
I don't think I'll be a good trader, but yes, I'll be a good
Yeah,
watcher.
you need to believe in yourself that you will be a good trader because there is no hard and fast rule. It depends on your preparation. Mhm.
Here it comes baby, down down down. सर 65 भन्दा तल क्लोज भयो भने चाहिँ आम गोना होल्ड, अदरवाइज आम गोना क्लोज।
I think there is 8 minute time left for it to close.
Yeah, 8 minutes. So let's see how do it play out. No problem. Yeah, and the 1 hour candle is about to close as well within 8 minutes.
I think there'll be a good confirmation of sale.
Need to sit back and see.
सर 63 भन्दा मुनि क्लोज भयो भने तल गयो भने सर, सुन्छ सर,
Hmm.
63 भन्दा तल गयो भने क्लोज गर्यो भने चाहिँ तल हेर्ने होइन सर।
Let's see how do this candle close at first. So it's about to close within the first 5 minutes. So let's see how do it play out, right? From the 1 hour, it's bearish, no problem. From 30 minutes, it's a bearish. So from the 15 minutes, okay. So let's see. Hello, Rosan sir is come back. Rosan sir, if we do have this type of weak rejections, bigger weak, then it's very hard for us to go for a sale. So body need to be bigger. If I measure this range, which is all about like 25 pips, 26 pips. So it's about like 31 pips. I am waiting for the candle to create a wick at first, then need to come back where I can execute my trade exactly up over here and expecting to fill the wick and even continuously moving down. So for that, if I measure my stop loss, which is about how many pips, like a 27-30 pips. So for 30 pips, I will going to take a 1.5% risk. 1.5% risk means that's a $15 divided by 300 means it's a 0.05. Oh, it's a good two-way. Yeah, let's see how do it play out. And this 30-minute candle is closed within the 2 minutes. 1 hour bearish, 4 hour moving up, created a week, then coming back. Possibility that it will fill the body of the previous candle. From the daily, it's bearish, no problem. From 4 hour, it's bearish. From 1 hour, obviously it's bearish and it's about to close from the 1 hour perspective as well. From the 30-minute, it's bearish. So from the 15-minute as well, it's bearish. Means all the time frame, it's bearish. So let's see.
Need to close below 65, I think.
Yeah, now the final 1 minute plays a pivotal role to execute the trade or not. So if I measure this range, which is about like a 43 pips, from the
I'm closing
15
one trade.
minutes, it's something like this. So from the 30-minute, let's see.
I just close one position.
Let's see. Let me see. From 1 hour, yeah, obviously. Don't need to be much greedy at this point. Wanted the candle to create the wicket first. Because if this candle continue to move down as well, then there is no business to go with the sale.
But I just close one position with 90 pips, and I'm on the next trade. Uh, with how many pips? I don't know. Maybe 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 20 pips up. If it goes below 60, then I'm gonna hold.
4063.
Come on, baby, one more time.
I think how much lot size I took 0.03. Okay, no problem.
I think it is.
Yeah, put this stuff also over here. Just first 1 minute. So I think it would be the retracement. So put the stop loss up here and let's see how do it play out.
You are in trade, sir. Roshan sir, are you in trade?
Yeah, I'm in trade now. Oh Lord. Now it got my stop loss, no problem. And if it's break its one low, then I will give a second chance. Otherwise, down for the day. So fast.
Come down, baby. Come down. Come down. Come down. Oh, where's my stop loss?
Then market is tending to go towards the
Yeah.
It's
sideways.
making lower, lower high, and I think it's going up again. So I think I should close my position with profit.
Yeah, there is possibility as well. If it's created a support, it will move continues to moving up as well. So there is that possibility as well in the market. But let's see how this candle play out. If it's break its one low, I will give a second chance.
My one position is running, sir, right now with a profit of 10 pips.
Yeah, let's see.
Going down, it's going down.
Let's see.
हेलो हेलो
Hello, Roshan
हेलो
sir.
रोशन सर
हजुर हजुर
खायो नि स्टप लस यार फेरि
कहाँबाट लाउनु भएको थियो सेल
यहाँ लगाएको थिएँ
मैले 70 वाट ल्याएको थिएँ सर, एउटा ट्रेड होइन, त्यो ट्रेड चाहिँ प्रफिट भयो, एउटा ट्रेड रनिङ छ त्यो फेरि, त्यो ट्रेड चाहिँ तपाईँको भर्खर
ठिक छ बिर्दै सर सरले चाहिँ प्रफिट हुन्छ कि अरूभन्दा नि बिर्दै सरको
खै सर भइदियो त सर मलाई त एउटा लास्ट लास्ट एउटा ठुलो ठुलो एउटा त्यो आयो नि सर मलाई यार आरोप आयो नि सर मैले गर्दा तपाईँ भाग्यो नि सर
हजुर
मलाई राम्रो आरोप आएको छ सर आज
किन सर
मैले तपाईँलाई के भनेर सर तपाईँ त भाग्दै रहेछ
मैले के भने सर
मैले के भनेर होइन सर तपाईँलाई तपाईँ त रनिङ हान्दै रह्यो भाग्दै रह्यो क्या सर
कति बेला
अघि
आएर भइन्छ सर म यहाँ पसलमा बिजी सर हेर्नु न गाह्रो छ
होइन सर मलाई अर्को अर्को रसनले आरोप लाग्यो क्या सर तपाईँ
ए
के भनिदिएर रसन त भाग्दै रह्यो
मैले त्यसो चाहिँ भनेन है मृदुल सर भागिदियो भने मैले
भाग्दै
रोशन सर
त होइन सर रसन सर गइदियो
मलाई
हिँड्यो
गाह्रो छ के भन्नु अरे रोशन सर
यो सेल लगेको होइन अब खायो स्टप लस अब यसो हेरिरहेको छु अब विक बनाएर फेरि तल आयो भने जाम लाग्यो भनेर
होइन सर अब त सर के होला जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई सर अब
अब झन् राम्रो होला र होइन र लिँदा बेटर होला त
विक कत्रो बनाएको बा
सेकेन्ड चान्स दिनु पर्ला जस्तो छ होइन यसलाई आयो भने
त्यस्तो थियो भन्दा
हेर्नु
पनि
ल
क्लोज भयो नि
अरू क्यान्डल भर्खर ओपन बाजु
1 आवरको त्यही त विक अलिक फास्ट 1 मिनट्स
त आउँदैन फेरि तर म त क्लोज हानिदिन्छु
प्रफिटमा हुन्छ बुक गर्दा हुन्छ सर क्लोज हान्दैन
एउटा त बुक गरिसकेँ सर एउटा पोजिसन बुक गरिसकेँ एउटा पोजिसन बाँकी छ एउटा पोजिसन $10 टेन पिस प्रफिटमा छ अहिले एउटा पोजिसन त अघि क्लोज गरिसकेँ एउटा त त्यहाँ तपाईँको टेन टेन 100 पिसमा क्लोज गरिदियो
हजुर
अब यो त तल जान्छ जाने जस्तो लागेन मलाई त यो त एकदमै यो विक बनाएर मान्छे होला जस्तो लागिरहेको छ मलाई त्यो म क्लोज गरेँ कि नगरौँ भइरहेको छ 64तिर छ कति टाइम बाँकी छ 7 मिनट 8 मिनट बाँकी छ 15 मिनटको क्यान्डल क्लोज हुनलाई ल सर मैले त क्लोज हान्थेँ
साइडवेज जान्छ जस्तो लाग्छ होइन र योमा केही समय एकछिन यही एउटा न्युयोर्क स्टार्ट नहुन्जेलसम्म
होइन त्यो पनि चान्सेस छ सर अनि अर्को चान्स मैले के
यो
देखेँ
मात्रै टाइम
रिट्रेस
सर
गरेर
हजुर
माथि
प्राइभेट
जाने
जाँदाखेरि
खोजिरहेको हुन्छ
तलै आउँछ जस्तो छ
हो सर म त होल्ड गर्छु तपाईँले भन्नुभयो त म होल्ड गर्छु
ल
तपाईँले भनेपछि मैले 20 पिप्स स्टप लस हालेर छोडिदिएँ सर
लट गर्छु सर
0.01
ठिक छ 40 मिनटबाट हेर्दाखेरि तलै आउने जस्तो देखिन्छ 1 आवरको पर्फेक्ट
सिगरेटमा मैले स्टप लस हालेछु होइन अहिले फेरि माथि गयो त्यसका र आज भोल्युम छैन नि सर याद गर्नु भएको छ रोहन सर आज भोल्युम छैन क्या सर राहुल सर हेलो राहुल राहुल सर हिँडिसकेको छ फेरि रोशन सर
हजुर
कार्की सर आज
भन्नुहोस्
भोल्युमै छैन
भन्नुहोस् हजुर
भोल्युम छैन आज
अ, हेर्नुहोस् न मार्केटलाई वेट गर्नुहोस् पेसेन्टली हेर्नुहोस् न यो 15 मिनट क्यान्डल यसरी क्लोज भएर नेक्स्ट क्यान्डल सानो बढी हुनु पर्यो यसको नेक्स्ट क्यान्डलले त्यो लोलाई ब्रेक गर्यो भने पनि वी क्यान टेक अ इम्पल्स इन्ट्री यता डाउनमा आइएम अल्सो थिङ्किङ फर द्याट यो पोइन्टमा तर विक रिजेक्सन हुनु पर्यो माथि गएर सानो बडी हुनु पर्यो 15 मिनट्सको फ्रम द 30 मिनट निड टु वेट रोशन सरको होल्डिङ छ कि के छ अर्को पोजिसन एउटा आइगा यहाँ बाई भएको 63 मा
गयो त फेरि फोन पनि आएर मार्न आइसक्यो कति आउँछन् फोन पनि हो गाह्रो छ
अलि अर्ली इन्ट्री भएछ यसमा मिस्टेक भनेको अर्ली इन्ट्री 2
कोही बात
मिनट
नै
जतिमा
सर
हाल्नुहुन्थ्यो हजुर
केही छैन ठिक छ त के भयो त
2 मिनट्समा लिएको होइन 5 मिनट्स स्टिल वेटिङ गरेको भए चाहिँ एउटा कन्फर्मेसन राम्रै हुन त प्रोपर रिस्क म्यानेजमेन्ट भएको छ नि रोशन सर होइन
उम्,
20 पिप्स अहिले चाहिँ 40 50
सर मेरो
पिप्स
त हिट खायो अब स्टप लस
खाए सर
एउटा हिट खायो एउटा प्रफिट एउटा चाहिँ
के
$100
गर्नु त्यस्तो हेर्नु है
प्रफिट हान्थ्यो
मार्केट
एउटा चाहिँ
तल माथि भइरहेछ हेर्नु है अब के भन्नुहुन्छ त
के गर्ने सर मलाई त किन साइड अब यो $2 प्रफिट $16 प्रफिट हाल्दैछ एउटामा त वाह मजा आयो त
लेट्स सी एउटा ट्रेड लगाउँ भनेको हो सेटअपै राम्रो दिँदैन त सेकेन्ड चान्स दिउँ भनेको
सेकेन्ड चान्स होइन सर
about
हाम्रो
in
मुनार मात्र
4
रहेछ लाइनर
minutes let's see 4 hour let's see how do it close in 4 minutes if it's broke and close yeah if it's close like this type of bullish candle having a wick like this then probably I will go for a sell on the next candle. If it's created a wick then broke the low of the previous candle I will be expecting this candle to be continue to pushing down. So that's the first bias I'm looking for this. The only thing that we can do at this point is to wait for a 15-minute candle to close like the way we want to close.
कार्की सर 63 and 71 sideways
It's about to close within 2 minutes, and if it's not closed the way that I want to see, then probably we will end the session. So let's wait.
Sir, please check it is inside with 71 and 63. So, sir,
Yeah.
please check if is inside with 71 and 63. 30 minutes, 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Possibility is it's pushing down, no problem, no doubt for that, for per hour as well. Yeah, but need to see from the 1 hour for daily perspective, it's bearish. From the 15 minutes, let's wait. How do this candle close?
I'm going for buy, man.
Mirdir sir, did you bought the trade?
Yes, sir?
Did you bought the trade? हजुरले किनिसक्नुभयो र अहिले?
No, I'm just thinking if it breaks this high, then I'm gonna take a buy. But it's in middle of the range, so I think I won't buy. It's in sideways market, 71 to 63. So in the middle of the range, so I'm not gonna take a buy. I'm gonna wait if it breaks 71 or breaks 63.
Yeah, guys, I think I'm tired now, so we'll come tomorrow at London Open. So I'm going to wrap this session.